Alright guys, we're at Doddington Road level crossing in Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. This barrier bounces really high. It did over there. Looks like it did from the side. Right, the time is 12:26 on Friday the 4th of March 2016. This is for our 12:26 2 Tango 31 Eastman train service from Newark Northgate to Grimsby Town. So it's going from this way. Might as well get a bit of lighting while we're away, as long as I don't miss the train passing. This road is so busy. She is. Got 153 313. 313 to Newark to Grimsby via Lincoln Central, and there you go.